Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to unpair Wi-Fi in Oppo phone. Realme phone. So let us start our video. Firstly, you have to move up. You have to see here many app icon. Click on the setting icon. Then you have to see here many more options. Scroll down and you have to click on the firstly Wi-Fi option. Click on that. Wi-Fi is already off in your mobile phone. If you want to on Wi-Fi, so click on that. After that you have to see result that Wi-Fi network is already paired to your mobile phone. If you want to unpair that Wi-Fi network, click on the detail icon. You have to see here many options. You have to click on the remove this network option, then click on remove. In this way Wi-Fi is unpaired to your mobile phone. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.